Alright, what's going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm back recording a little one right here, and what we're going to be getting into is I'm going to be showing y'all how you guys can cop the Patta Air Max 1 in the new colorway, the Aqua Noise colorway. This is the second of 4 colorways I believe that we have dropping of these Air Maxes. There's 4 variations that we have coming out, and I think these first 2 ones are kind of going to be the ones to look out for. I have not seen what the other ones look like, but I just know that we have 4 other ones coming down the line, or 2 other ones also aside from this one. So yeah, check my Instagrams, any of that down below. Feel free to subscribe and like. Don't forget for more content like this, and also if you want to check it, the 50k giveaways up, so make sure you guys go ahead and enter in this. And also there's been a fake account going around pretending to be me, DMing people saying they've won the giveaway. So if you have someone DM you aside from me, if they don't have like 7,000 followers, it's not me. So if it's not a DM from me or from Secret Sauce, it's not real. So if you see a fake account DMing you saying you've won, do not trust it. I have to come out and say that now because someone has made a fake account of my username telling people they've won. So just don't trust it if you get a follow from like someone pretending to be me. It is not me. Not me. But yeah, let's get into this video. So first things first, y'all can see this one is releasing, and again, I don't know why Nike has stopped putting the date up, but you can see $160 retail right there, pretty visible, but it's also dropping on November 4th if I'm correct. I'll just make sure I double check so I don't give y'all any wrong info, but yeah, there you go. You can see November 4th, that is when this one is releasing. Just so y'all can see I'm giving y'all the correct info. And that $160 retail I hit on sneakers for the last pair. I got it up in my closet right there. You know, I kind of wish I was able to also hit for my size 2 on sneakers, but I was lucky enough to already get an 11.5, which is a very good size, and I personally find this colorway to be way better than the last one. I just want to mention that. I like this one a lot more. I think it's a lot more wearable. I think the other one is wearable too, but I just think this one is like, this is just a clean pair of kicks. Like, if I will probably buy a personal pair, if I can afford it. Got to check, you know, making sure your boy's been spending correctly and all that, which I think we've been good, but if I'm able to afford it, I will probably, you know, look into a personal pair of these ones, because these ones are going to be reselling probably around the same as the last ones. We'll get into it in a second, but you all can see all the same details, you know, the whole Patta on the whole inside of the shoe. They got that written out. They got the Patta logo up here, and then they also have the swoosh right up here on both sides of the shoe, which y'all can see. There you go. That's a typical thing they've done, the little Nike Air. And I mean, I just want a pair of Air Max 1s. I need a little bit more variety in the collection in terms of sneaker models, so it's like this would help out a little bit. And I honestly need some brand variety. Like, I need some Yeezy in there. I don't have any Yeezy, no Adidas, no like other brands. Like, I need some aside from just Nike. I'm such a Nike fanboy. Like, if someone called me that in my comment section, they'd be right. But yeah, y'all can see just releasing again. You can see this was the one that recently released. Again, it's already dropped, and there will be 2 other ones that follow, but yeah, this one is dropping again on the 4th. No grade school sizes, none of that, and make sure you're always checking enter and Raffles for this one. We'll get into all those details later, but yeah, that's kind of a main thing I want to mention. Just so y'all can see there's other colorways coming. These are the 2 ones that again are confirmed dropping. This is the one we're discussing, but I'm not sure about like what's this colorway. Do we have like a purple one? If we had like a purple version of the shoe come out, that one would be too elite. I would need to cop that also. But aside from that, we'll just hop into the resale market right now. That was a very messy kind of, you know, introduction right there. But basically, if you have a pair right now, I would sell it. That's just what I'm personally going to say. If you have a size 11.5 right now, take the 330 you can get right now and sell it. I would say that because this is going to easily drop another, like in those sizes that are at $300, they're going to drop below $300 in my opinion. I think we will see this one probably more or less around a resale range of around 240. In those sizes that are already below 240, like these ones right here, like a 7.5 will definitely hit like 230-ish. So I'd more or less say we will hit a range of around, and this is just again an estimate, but I'll say a range of around 230 to 260, and I will put a plus in the 260 because I think the sizes that'll stay above 260 will be like a 10.5 plus. I think we will see these ones maybe staying at like 265, 270, maybe some of the bigger ones, even like a 13 or 14. You know, those ones might just stay, you know, at 300. 350, because those are just such rare sizes in a shoe like this. Like, if you have size 13 feet, size 11.5 feet, size 14 feet, you're paying crazy high amounts for a lot of your shoes, which I'm sorry, that's very unfortunate. I'm blessed. I'm at a 10, so I'm always paying, you know, pretty much the fair price. I have it easy. I do. So that's just kind of my resale estimate. What I think this pair will perform a lot better than the orange one. I think the people like this one a lot more. This has been clearly spoken. People like this one. And don't forget, no special box, no nothing. It just comes with a bracelet or not. And of course, the bracelet, I mean, there you go. That's the brand name. And then this is actually the flag of Suriname, if I'm correct. I know I may have butchered it, but you know, Suriname. I'll put it up on the screen so y'all can see the name. I hope that is correct. The flag is mainly relating to the origins of the owners, if I'm correct. They had made this because the flag relates to them. So I believe that is a correct association right there. That's everything I'm going to mention right there about that resale. I just really want this pair to wear. I gotta be honest, that's just kind of what I'm wanting this one for. So aside from that, the basic details, drop time, November 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, $160 retail. Aside from those basic details, let's kind of get into how you guys could, again, cop this one off the Snkrs app. And my main tip too for copying off the Snkrs app, and recently I saw this with the Snkrs draw, the draws, instead of being 10 minutes, Snkrs recently did a 20-minute draw. I don't know if they're testing that out or if that's something new, but we may be seeing 20-minute draws coming in our future. And that is such an advantage for having multiple accounts. Like, imagine being able to take 20 minutes to enter accounts in on Snkrs. Like, bro, you're gonna hit something almost, like 10 minutes, it's like, okay, I gotta rush a bit, enter in all my accounts. But if we see a 20-minute draw on this release, I'm getting all my accounts in. Like, I feel like I would definitely hit, But yeah, again, this is kind of my methods I want to discuss right here. If you want to check this video, this is one that just kind of shows y'all some recent tips and stuff I've been using on the Snkrs app to kind of, I guess, kind of navigate it a bit easier, cop a bit more often. So if y'all want to check that out, feel free. You can see your boy's been having good success. So, I've been using these tips right here, the exact ones, and also making multiple accounts. If you don't have multiple accounts in Snkrs, I kind of feel like you're missing out. Like, that's a free opportunity there. Like, only having one account to enter in. You can use your computer to make multiple accounts. You can even have two on your phone, but I would say only one in your phone mainly, but you could go make one like, on a Safari browser or Chrome browser, and then, enter the draw that way. There's other ways to enter a draw. So just check these down below. This shows you how to make multiple accounts, huge advantage. And then also this one right here, this one just kind of shows you, again, some tips and tricks I've been using on the app. So aside from everything right there, I'm also, I've noticed been kind of speeding through a little bit quick, but I hope you can see those other colorways soon of those Patta Air Maxes. I want to see what those will look like because I am interested in them, but I also want to give a huge shout out as always to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. They are a $60 monthly fee, but something I want to mention real quick is that they could help you all cop a release like this one. They helped me cop the last pair of Patta Air Maxes. Again, they let me know about an overseas raffle I was not familiar with, and that's always like another chance to hit on releases. Again, as Raffles, they have a really good raffle monitor, and I'm always kind of having my eyes peeled on that for for upcoming releases. And don't forget, if you are actually trying to have these guys help you cop upcoming releases, whatever it may be, PS5s, things like that, there's tons of profit right now in the electronics game and like Pokemon card scene, and these guys have been really helping me out. Like, if you need any help with making money in the chat, you can just open a help ticket, ask about it, and these guys will help you. It's great. I've been just taking advantage of everything they offer, like with the whole copping people PS5s and sneaker releases. And how that works is they have this section in their chat called tickets. You go to it, it's a Google form, and it'll be either for maybe a PS5. It'll either be a free slot or paid slot too. So if it's a paid slot, you just got to pay them a little fee after if they get you the item. And if it's a free slot, you just got to pay the retail. You don't owe them nothing. That's pretty much it. They don't take your info, nothing. It's 100% safe. All they do is take the info, put it into their bots, and then get the releases for you. And that's really how it is. It's completely safe. Never had a problem. And that's really how I use my guys at Secret Sauce right here. And don't forget, it's not just profit in the sneaker game. You got to be, interacting with these guys in different ways. So make sure you're interacting with, their Pokemon cards and all that. Like, that's a huge thing. Like, that has a lot of local profit too. PS5s. Like, I just want to mention that. Like, people only focus in this chat on shoes sometimes. And I feel like that's where people miss out on a lot of money. It's because it's not just shoes right now. You know what I mean? Like, we're heading into Christmas season. Like, you should be trying to get PS5s. But that's all I really got to say. So feel free to check them out if y'all are trying to get into the chat. Send them a message on Twitter. Send them that. And on Instagram, you can just follow them, wait till they drop invites again. That's what I'd recommend right there. But you could DM them to an Instagram if you want, but they probably won't respond there. I would recommend just waiting for invites until they drop them again. They'll announce them on their story or make an Instagram post about it. So that's everything I need to mention right there. And I'm also going to link these two things down below. I always stick with my boys right here at Raffles Sneakers or House of Heat. Like, I'm always using these articles right here. So this one right here, the House of Heat one, just shows you again some different foot sites and places you can go enter for this shoe. You want to enter in as many raffles as you can for these Air Maxes. So y'all better be doing that. Staying tuned. I'm sure in the upcoming days, Undefeated, I don't know if they already have had a raffle for the Patta Air Maxes, but they'll have a little 15-minute raffle coming up for them. Same with probably Premier Skate Shops. So, stay tuned for places like that. And they're little 15-minute raffles. And also, I'll be linking this one down below too, the Raffle Sneakers article. Y'all gotta be entering. I'll be checking out this raffle right here. This is where I hit last time for the Patta Air Maxes, a little overseas raffle. This is an international one, so don't sleep on this. Always, be checking out on those international raffles, especially as a U.S. resident. Go for bigger sizes. They love giving shoes to overseas people. Trust me, they like variety. So if you go for bigger sizes, it'll benefit you. I'm gonna be, loading up that Foot Patrol raffle, going for those big sizes, and hopefully I'll get it, some sort of dub in my email being like, yo, you won size 13 or something. Like, if I got a size 13, that actually mean I got a size 14 since UK sizes are one, below the US. So that would just make my day. But that's everything I need to mention, and that's how you guys could cop the Air Max 1 Patta Aqua Noise. I want a personal pair that would just honestly make me happy. These are dope. You can see these kind of represent waves a little bit too. Just so clean. Overall dope shoe. So yeah, I want this. So that's everything I'll mention right there. We'll just kind of head into the outro. If you want to check my Instagrams again, the giveaway, all that down below. If someone DMs you saying you've won the giveaway, it is false. Do not trust it. It is fake. If you have someone faking my account with only like a couple hundred followers, private account, it's not me. So please don't trust it. Don't fall for that. I'll be trying to update it, weekly so people can see that. But it's a free, you can win a pair of off-white dunks. Again, one of these 3. So if you want to win a pair of off-white dunks, that's your chance. So that's everything I'll mention right there. I'm Tristan. Much love to everyone that's been supporting me as of recently. I appreciate that. I mean, we just hit 7K not too long ago, and look, we're already like halfway up, almost 8K. I don't even post my Instagram that much. So I appreciate y'all. So I'll end this. Thank you guys as always, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video. Much love as always. Peace.